In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Pinterest account for business. So if you're interested in knowing this, then keep on watching. So first of all, you need to search for the Pinterest, and from the first result you need to click the Pinterest for business. Wait for the Pinterest page to open. Okay, and once the page opens, you need to fill in the details to create the account. Give your email address, enter your password, and click create account. Select the language and the country where you want to target your business. I'm going to select English and United States as a country and click next. Give the name of your business. In case of a YouTube channel, give the name of a YouTube channel, or else you can give the address of your website. You can give a little more information about your business by selecting from the options given below. I'm going to select the consumer goods and click next. Here you can feed your website address. Copy and paste the website link. Click next. If you're interested in running ads, then you can click yes, otherwise you can click right now I'm not sure and then move on. And your Pinterest account for business has been created. Now you just need to pick up the 5 categories for the Pinterest to build up your feed. Click done by clicking the edit info, and then from the photo clicking the change and browsing the photo. You can fill in the details about your profile. You can change your profile name. You can write something about your own self, your email address, your phone number, and in case you want to give the address, you can fill in the details in the edit profile page. Once you're done, you can click done. And so this is how you can create a Pinterest account for business. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.